walk 100 miles.
Hey, buddy, you going to the snow?
All the while, if that's what it takes to make me smile, I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill, summer sky or winter chill. If I gotta take a break, I will, but I'm gonna run right up this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans.
So we were really hoping to be able to camp amongst all this beauty, but unfortunately, all the national park camping is closed for the season. But look at this, I wanted to spend the night. Look at those mountains, they're beautiful.
We're at the Elks Lodge here in Sedona, just about a half a mile out of downtown. And do we have a view or what? Oh, well, here's our modified view here.
I think the reviews lie because they said it's not any good. And well, I have a feeling they just don't tell anybody about this place.
That's what it is. Okay, you heard it here first. But yeah, look at that here. Everything you would hope for.
And then some beyond.
Sedona, Arizona is surrounded by beauty. The landscape with red rock and pine forest is breathtaking to the eye. So much so that it is no wonder that it's known worldwide for its colorful, surreal rock formations that were formed millions of years ago by wind and erosion, creating this masterpiece of nature. Many mysteries surround Sedona's history and its people. It is believed that this area has been inhabited by many tribes over the last 10,000 years. What we know and call Sedona today came to be after several families and homesteaders petitioned for a new post office in 1902. It would be 10 more years before Arizona would officially become the 48th state in the Union.
The population of Sedona hovers at about 10,000 residents. Originally a sleepy town with mostly farming and apple orchards, the rural city soon changed when it was brought into the spotlight by Hollywood after the Second World War. Beginning the mid-1940s through the 1950s, more than 30 movies were filmed in the majestic town with its unique landscape. And wouldn't you know, that triggered a boom in tourism and associated businesses. Today, Sedona receives more than 10 million visitors a year, and it is easy to see why. With its moderate weather and 100-mile proximity to capital city Phoenix to the south, the year-round wonderland welcomes visitors to Sedona not only to explore the scenic beauty, but for the personal enrichment and spirituality. And hey, the local artists enjoy their well-deserved enrichment too. So if you appreciate craftsmanship, you're going to love the charm of Sedona. And from a holistic perspective, Sedona is well known for its many energy-enhancing vortices, locations which are thought to be conducive to healing and meditation. So as we explored the popular uptown shopping area, Grace and I were both moved by the many beautiful art pieces through the area. Stay tuned, she has more to show you on that subject as we explore this unique city.
Well, I saw a bracelet that I liked a lot, and it was just calling out to me. And so, because my husband helped finance this special piece of jewelry right here.
Oh.
Isn't it gorgeous? It's made out of copper.
Look at this.
And it means peace and prosperity and fertility. So there's something I've been meaning to tell you. I found somebody for Kaliki to make babies with, and I'm going to put it on his collar.
Okay. Kaliki is a good Monday.
Perhaps it is because the natural beauty that surrounds this area that the artists are called here to create the most stunning masterpieces. From the moment you come into town, you can see the works of art throughout the area. This beautiful piece, called Caduceus, was created by James Muir. She stands 12 foot tall with a wingspan of 9 feet and represents an angel of healing, bringing love and peace upon the earth. This moving sculpture of Bird Woman, more commonly known as Sacagawea, is the creation of John M. Soderberg, a bronze sculpture standing 8 foot tall. And as we circle her, we can see the young child she is carrying on her back and who is reaching out for his mother's finger. While there are more statues of Sacagawea than any other woman in American history, this one pulled at my heartstrings, quickly moving it to the top of my personal favorites. Scorpion on the porch.
The potting shed. I love the faces. Hello, Pepper. And Salty. You're looking good today. What is wrong? Oh, you look much more happy. Hey,
How are you? Somebody stole this joint.
the chink in my armor.
You just couldn't
Oh,
resist.
fudge. Oh, fudge.
Come on in. Come on
Okay,
in. Just for a
the
little.
water's fine.
Come on. Now you know I couldn't leave without taking a little something for myself. This lovely ornament is completely made from organic, local materials, all the way to the sap from a tree that was used for this gloss protection coat. The bear represents healer, strength, and lightens emotional burdens. The eagle is a zenith, or the sky spirit, a connection divine, teacher, and great integrity.
You stuck. Lady, you stuck.
Maybe you should time-lapse that.
You know, all I can say is happy trails to you until we meet again.
1, 2, 3.
Happy trails to you until we meet again. Okay, that's it. Hit it.